This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Item number 1.
I appear for the commission minute led by Mr. Bandopad.
No, I am appearing.
Yes, where is my order judgment? 7 July.
Okay.
Do you have a
Issue report? Hand over, please.
Yes. What is the matter about?
Fresh candidate.
Yes.
My case is like that new vacancies has been included, in respect of which I have a right to participate. Now that age election has been given to others who are participants of 2016 selection process, not to us. This is discrimination. Second, in 2022, there was a notification which, in terms of which they are supposed to conduct selection process. At the relevant point of time, I was within the age limit. Since they were not conducting selection process, a writ petition was filed. This is the second round of writ petition. Now, in that writ petition was dismissed by your lordship, by an order.
So, according to you, all the candidates to be given age relaxation?
No.
It appears so.
No.
You are the fresh candidate.
Those who were within the age limit of as on 2022, when this advertisement was published, according to me, they are entitled to because that notification was subject matter of challenge in.
I have held in my judgment dated 7th July 2025, in spite of specific contention made on behalf of some of the petitioners, that it should be relayed back to the recruitment process of SLST 2016. I have discarded such submission. Therefore, so far this court is concerned, there is no room left open for consideration of the candidature of the fresh candidate who were within the prescribed eligibility criteria in terms of age in 2016.
So far, so far with the vacancy of 2016 is concerned, I have no right. So far
to participate if you are eligible. But the paragraph 49 of that order dated 3rd April 2025 of the Honorable Supreme Court has made it abundantly clear that who are going to get the age relaxation. So therefore, beyond
in respect of the vacancies that was notified.
No, not at all. Not at all. That I have not held in my order dated 1st of 7th of July.
It was not even the issue in those matters.
I have not submitted. I have not stated anywhere. I have not held anywhere in my order judgment dated 7th July, in spite of making submission that this selection process should relate back or should be related to 2016 selection process. Court has accepted the new notification dated 30th of May 2025 recruitment notification, and court passed order.
Kindly see once more.
Give me that judgment.
I can go through the judgment and come back, but before that, kindly take the
issue. Sorry,
kindly hear me.
I have heard you.
No, my case has nothing to do with the judgment passed by your lordship. That is my. Kindly allow me to distinguish.
Yes. Yes.
In those cases, which your lordship has passed an order,
your sum and substance of your submission is you are the fresh candidate, and you are to be given age relaxation.
No, that's
since you are within the prescribed limit in 2016.
No. This is not my case at all. That is not my case at all.
Age 8 kindly sees. Not kindly sees their age.
That is not my case at all.
47, 45, 40.
I am not saying that in 2016 I was eligible to allow me to vote. This is not my case. That's why I am trying to make myself clear.
Yes. Paragraph 3. Ahmed's paragraph 3
of my petition.
Yes. Yes, please read it.
This is not the pleadings.
You are seeking blanket relaxation of age, which has been
to
fixed
paragraph 3 only.
in terms of the advertisement dated 30th May 2025.
Kindly take some other paragraphs. This is not my case.
Yes, what is your case? Please tell me.
Kindly take some the division bench judgment. Once. Page, relevant page 102. And then the order of Supreme Court. Clause 11. Undertake a fresh selection process in respect of declared vacancies. I have nothing to do this with the declared vacancies.
Yes.
Now, therefore, the relaxation is permissible in respect of these vacancies. So far, the participant of 2016 is concerned. Am I clear?
Division bench judgment is silent with regard to relaxation of vacancies, relaxation of age. Division bench is silent. Division bench directed that the SSC shall undertake a fresh selection process in respect of the declared vacancies in this selection process, preferably within a period from the date of declaration of results, within fortnight from the date of declaration of the results of the ensuing election.
So, therefore,
thereafter, Supreme Court.
I'm coming to that.
Please, you need not come because I have heard this matter at length. Supreme Court answered the query. Supreme Court, while concluding the issue at page in paragraph 49 of the judgment, dated 3rd April 2025, has extended the benefit of age relaxation to the disabled candidates as well as untainted candidates.
Now,
so where is the scope left open so far this court is concerned to go beyond that?
I am not saying so. I cannot pray for.
And which is passing through the mind of this court is this, that if you are to be given age relaxation, then all are to be given age.
I follow your assessment. That's why I'm trying to clarify my
position. So how you are different from other open candidates? Yes.
Now, paragraph 49 of the Supreme Court judgment, in fact, gives the benefit to the participant who are untainted and disabled to implement the order of division bench, where the division bench says you conduct fresh selection process in respect of the declared vacancy. Therefore, so far declared vacancy of 2016 is concerned, I cannot pray for anything. Therefore, my prayer of the writ petition is nothing to do with that selection process. I have twofold of prayer in the writ petition. Conduct fresh selection process, either or allow me to participate in this selection process. This is in respect of the vacancies, which were kindly takes up once at page 129 of my writ petition. This 129 of my writ petition, kindly see last paragraph. List of indicated vacancies as received by memo 29 May 2025. There were these admittedly is not the declared vacancy of 2016. Now, so far the fresh vacancies are concerned, I have a right. The division bench and Supreme Court has never said anything. But these vacancies, in respect of these vacancies, the parties, untainted candidate and the disabled will be getting benefit of relaxation of these fresh vacancies. Now, in respect of these fresh vacancies, the untainted and the disabled candidate are similarly situated with me. So far declared vacancies, they have additional right. So far this fresh vacancy is concerned, that this untainted and me are similarly situated, has to be treated equally. I am
where Supreme Court has said that in the next selection process, right of the untainted and disabled candidates would be restricted to the vacancies of 2016.
With due respect, order of Supreme Court has to be read with the order of division bench also.
Any other point, Mr.
Second point.
Yes.
Second point is, your Lordship's own order is at page 112. There your Lordship has recorded, which relates to the notification 2022. Now, this is the second round of litigation of so far these petitioners are concerned.
Which paragraph?
Paragraph 112.
Please tell me the paragraph of that judgment, my judgment.
Yes, second paragraph. 112, second paragraph. On behalf of the School Service Commission.
Paragraph of the my judgment, you need not indicate the page number.
Your Lordship's paragraph,
yes.
Not 7th July order.
No, I am not looking at your petition. I am on my order judgment. You indicate the paragraph.
But this is order dated 12th November 2024.
Oh, it's a different matter.
Yes.
Yes.
Because this is the first round of litigation of these writ petitioners.
Yes.
100 page 112.
Yes.
On behalf of West Bengal School Service Commission, prayer of the petitioner has been opposed on the ground that the writ petition is premature. It is submitted at present. The commission is not in a position to take steps on the basis of notice dated 5th May 2022. Since the issue relating to selection process is pending before the Supreme Court. Therefore, they could not, as on 2022, all the writ petitioner, when filed the writ petition, first round of this writ petition, were eligible. I have an indicated in paragraph 3 of my writ petition.
47 years.
Now, they say because of pendency of 2016 selection process before the Supreme Court, therefore they could not conduct the selection process. Now, the selection process is over. Court has righted fresh selection process. Now, they are to conduct selection process. Now, in fact, they are conducting selection process, including the fresh vacancies in respect of which I am entitled to. Therefore, this being the second round of the petition, I am entitled to relaxation of age so far this petitioners are concerned. That is my
To the extent of vacancies which were subsequently created,
yes,
not
only.
related to 2016 selection.
Only.
That is your case.
That's all.
Issue. Writ petition is heard in the matter is heard in presence of the learned advocates representing the petitioners and representing the petitioners, West Bengal Central School Service Commission and state respondents. Stop. Mr. Bandobadhyay, learned senior advocate representing commission, we West Bengal Central School Service Commission to within bracket for short commission করে দাও. Representing the commission appears online. Next. Petitioners, have you applied? No, you could not apply. Petitioners admittedly are overaged candidates. As a result whereof, they could not offer candidature by submitting applications in terms of recruitment notification dated 30th May. Where you have annexed the recruitment notification? Recruitment notification where you have annexed?
Yes, sir. At page
122.
Recruitment notification dated 30th May 2025, being memo number 1092/7016/CSSC capital /ESTT/2025. Sentence একবার পড়ো। It is submitted by Mr. Tamim Ahmed, learned advocate representing the petitioners, that they are not coming, submitted that petitioners are not coming either under the category of tainted or untainted as termed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the judgment dated 3rd April 2025. Passed on civil appeal arising out of special leave petition civil number 9586 of 2024 within bracket state of West Bengal versus Boishaki Bhattacharya within bracket Chatterjee close bracket and others. Stop. Stop. It is also submitted that they have no grievance relating to age benefit of age relaxation granted to the tainted to the two untainted candidates of first state level selection test 2016 for classes 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 within bracket first SSC 2016. Stop. It is further contended. It is also contended that by way of initiating press recruitment process upon issuing recruitment notification, aforesaid recruitment notification dated 30 May 2025. Appointments, recruitments are to be made not only in respect of posts earmarked for first SLST 2016, but vacancies subsequently arose are clubbed together, and those vacancies will also be filled up. Next paragraph. Now, next paragraph also be filled up. Stop. It is argued that candidate termed as untainted and differently abled may have their rights, may have right originates from judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court dated 3rd April 2025, passed in Boishaki Bhattacharya Supra. But Supra relating to relaxation of age upper age limit. But their candidature will also be considered against subsequent vacancies which cropped up and notified in connection with selection process which has been initiated based on recruitment notification dated 30 May 2025. Now, it is submitted to the extent of vacancies which were not earmarked for first SLST 2016. Those candidates who will get the benefit of age relaxation whereas petitioners will not get the same benefit, which offends right to equality as enshrined under Article 16 of the Constitution of India. Stop. On this premise, petitioners have attempted to make out a case that if in connection with subsequently or if in connection with the posts which were or which occurred subsequently, in connection with the posts which occurred subsequently, those candidates will get benefit of age relaxation. In that event, present petitioners are also entitled to get benefits, identical benefit. Stop. Next paragraph. Such submission made on behalf of the petitioner, or such submission made on behalf of the petitioners is opposed by the learned advocates representing West Bengal Central School Service Commission and state respondents.
Kindly record the previous order also.
Yes.
Previous petitions order.
State respondents. Stop. It is submitted that nowhere in the judgment delivered by the Honorable Division Bench dated (22nd April 2024), as well as in the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court dated 3rd April 2025, it was directed that recruiting authorities recruiting authority needs to restrict the selection process to the extent of vacancies which were earmarked for first SLST 2016. Stop. According to the petitioners, open to the recruiting authority to issue fresh notification, clubbing vacancies which were earmarked for first SLST 2016.
No, this is not my
as well as vacancies subsequently created.
Yes, no, to.
Stop.
What is not my submission?
I am not recording your submission. Stop. What is required is to initiate fresh selection process in a time-bound manner as directed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the order dated 17th April 2025, passed on miscellaneous application number 709 of 2025, which was taken out by the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. Stop. Steps have been taken in compliance with the directions as contained in the judgment dated 3rd April 2025 of the Honorable Supreme Court and the order dated 17th April 2025, passed on miscellaneous application. Passed on aforesaid miscellaneous application. উপরে একটা আরেকটা লাইন অ্যাড করে নেবে, while advancing argument on behalf of the petitioners, যেখানে ওদের petitioner's argument রেকর্ড করছিলাম, while advancing argument on behalf of the petitioner, reliance is also placed on the order passed by this court on 12 November 2024, passed on writ petition being WPA 24394 of 2024 within bracket Sandeep Chakraborty and others versus the state of West Bengal. Next paragraph. This court finds substance in the submission made on behalf of the respondent authorities that that there is no requirement or submission made on behalf of the respondent authorities that it is not or that it was not stipulated either in the judgment of the Honorable Division Bench dated 22nd April 2024 or in the judgment of the Honorable Division Bench dated 3rd April 2025, read with order, subsequent order of the Honorable Supreme Court dated 17th April 2025, that ensuing selection process is required to be restricted to the is required to be restricted to those vacancies which were earmarked for first SLST 2016. Stop. Observations made in paragraph 49 of the judgment dated 3rd April 2025 of the Honorable Supreme Court unambiguously made the situation clear that in the next round of in the coming selection process, untainted candidates and disabled candidates would get the benefit of age relaxation, notwithstanding the vacancy position. Stop. Next paragraph. Therefore, in view of aforesaid discussion, this court finds that untainted candidate and differently able and untainted candidates and differently able candidates are separate categories in connection with the selection process which has been initiated with a recruitment notification dated 30 May 2025, and petitioners herein ought not to be equated with those candidates. Stop. Therefore, if petitioners do not satisfy eligibility criteria in terms of age as prescribed in the said notification dated, as prescribed in the recruitment notification dated 30 May 2025, special 2025, no relief can be granted. Or no relief. Sentence ever poro. Test 2. Their candidature ought not to be considered. So, next paragraph, hence no relief can be granted to the petitioners. Writ petition stands dismissed.
Only one line, that this is confined to this selection process only.
Yes.
This order is confined to this selection process only, because there is a prayer for seeking, conducting fresh.
Has to be.
Otherwise, there is a prayer of fresh selection process. Is not deciding that.
But this court is not required to observe this. You have to follow the Supreme Court judgment.